Do not try this at home. Oh, I see that blue. It kind of hangs off those blue.
No, the blue are actually something different, but. There we go.
So when did that kit come out? This original one?
I don't know. I probably had that for 7-8 years.
Okay.
But a lot of these here were out of manufacture, so you couldn't get them. But you know, you just find somebody who bought 2 or 3 sets.
Right. Oh wow, I like that quad gun underneath it.
Oh yeah.
So do like the ramps open, like the elevator?
Yeah. There's a ramp will open there. Actually, there's a little compartment that you can slide open, and the gun will drop down, like in the first movie.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's going on here?
That's just actually how the ship is.
Really?
Yeah. You
I
just
never
don't get a
noticed
lot
that.
of perspective.
Yeah, I never noticed that. Oh, this is nice. All that detailing. And does this open up?
You can pop it off.
Is that like a port?
Hmm?
Was this like a port, like a loading?
Yeah, that's what it doesn't open. It doesn't actually
Right.
or anything, but
Oh, look, and you got Lando and.
yeah. So I like that they have, depending on which vintage Falcon you want, they've got the different, from the different movies, it has a different dish on top.
Oh, really? I never
Yeah,
noticed
because
that.
remember that one is old school, but that got
Okay.
broken off in Return of the Jedi.
Oh, I didn't
And
remember
so then
that.
you get the
Oh, the replacement. Cool. I didn't remember that. This I don't recognize at all.
that's the ship Princess Leia is on, the Tantive IV.
Oh.
That one got captured by.
Okay.
So it's this ship right here.
Oh my gosh, to scale with the destroyer. Wow. Dang. That's amazing, the scale difference. How humongous. This is, oh, look at that. These are wheels. Like off-road type wheels. I've got some of those. That is so cool. Oh, he's got these little guns. These ones here. That is sweet. What's up front? Is that?
It's
that
just
open?
the cockpit. Not really. I mean, you might be able to pop it off, but I guess you can. I don't know.
Oh, dude. Yeah, and a little screen there. Each of the pilots. That is sweet. I've never seen
Might be
those
a-
cone pieces like that. I'd love to have those.
Kind of. I thought one
Something
of these
else
popped
opens.
open here.
Probably maybe that. Does that swing up? Oh, that lifts up. Do these hatches swing up?
I don't think so. I thought I thought there was a cargo guy in here somewhere, but
Oh, we got guns underneath. Okay, is that a B
This
or
is
a
a
Y?
Y-wing.
That's a Y. Okay.
yeah, you can. That actually has the little
Oh, gotcha.
decal thing up front.
Oh, cool. Yeah, they're using the whips again. Did this have a gun on the back?
No, it has
Just a roof.
It's got
yeah,
this.
that's cool.
Actually,
Yeah.
one of the fun things with this one is you can feel there's a little round knob here in the back.
Is it gonna close? Oh my gosh.
You can turn it so you can open and close.
Oh, dude. That's so cool. And this is just a flip job right here.
Yeah,
Oh, look, and he even has like
the
that
little
sort
targeting computer.
of. Yeah. Wow. Does it have like a little decal on it, like he's looking through?
No, I don't think. I think it's just
It's got something on it.
Does it?
Yeah, it's got a little screen. Okay, and you got R2 up there. I have the original still in the box, 1979 plastic model of the X-Wing that I sort of half built and then didn't get very far on it. Cool.
Guns and everything rotate.
And that's like a bigger scale even.
Yeah, they have some that the A-Wing, the Snowspeeder are larger scales than the figures.
I love the Snowspeeder. Oh, that's cool, that gun. This just rocks, man. That is just so freaking cool.
Each of the joints is actually a worm gear.
Oh, get out.
So you...
And will it articulate the leg?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not getting that one.
Oh, man.
You gotta be careful, you don't want to actually unbalance it.
Yeah.
Out. This is clearly not, the side's not hanging on properly right now.
Oops. Oh, dude. It's got land speeder. It's got little speeder bikes in there. Oh, man. This is so cool. I've never seen, oh, these are big wheels, like big motorcycle rims.
Yeah, you can kind of, it's a little off balance right now, but the whole neck, actually, there's a little mechanism up inside there that you can articulate the head back and forth.
Wow. And look, he's hanging off. That's cool. And there's so another poop exhaust pipe inside of it.
Yeah, let me see if I can't get this hung back up here properly.
Okay.
Because these go.
Oh, I see that blue. It kind of hangs off those blue.
No, the blue are actually something different, but. There we go.
So we actually do have a little building session here.
What are you doing?
Repair.
I broke one.
How long did it take to make this? Yeah, I'm sure you did it off and on, but
Yeah, I was gonna say I usually can't stomach more than 2 assemblies a day.
yeah,
I just get
sure.
worn out, and I think this was a 18 assembly
Oh wow.
model.
So was it like a novel, the instructions? Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So that's
Wow. Holy mackerel.
now
Oh, that's cool. These
the AT-AT, they changed the means by which they did the instructions. So the AT-AT, they did like 4 major assemblies and then a bunch of sub-assemblies per.
Oh my gosh. You know, I like how they Easter egg, they put in other colors that you would never see. Some of these interior parts. When they could have just made it monochromatic. It's
Well,
nice.
it's actually quite helpful from an instruction
Oh,
standpoint because then
true.
it gives you something to key off of.
True.
So instead of always having to count dots, you know you're only 1 dot off of bright blue or something.
Right, that's a good point. Gosh, these books are just gorgeous on their own.
All right, let's pull this one off.
Oh, okay, so that's a framework.
One that I'm missing here. Oh, that is meant to be open because that is the exhaust thing.
Here's a part I've never seen. This one with the rounded corners. This sort of doorway. Or these big flat pieces. See, I look at these and I go, man, I could make battleships and...
What I was trying to show you with the other one there is the mechanism is pretty slick. The door can pull straight out and then lift up.
Oh, what? Oh, that's crazy.
So it can sit flush,
Wow.
but pull out and pivot, and that's what that whole,
Oh, that's what that looks like from behind.
that's what all that doodad stuff is about.
Wow. Might be able to take a look to see if that's... Okay, that's the wrong side of it.
Now, these
Let's
are
see it from the other side.
generally mirrored.
Yeah. Man, that's nerve-wracking right there.
Yeah, this is one of the less stable of
Okay.
the models.
So you're missing...
So this is a stabilization piece.
That's gonna go there. Yeah. Right? No? Unless there's a piece behind it. No, these are on the same plane though. Oh, I see it just got a little... Yeah, there it goes.
Alright, so that piece there.
That's a 2. Oh no, that's a 3. Okay, gotcha. It's there.
That's what was popped out here.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, I see. That's just sitting on there by gravity.
Yeah, that's these holes.
Yeah,
these
lines
ones
up,
here
lines
line
up with these
on
pegs. Yeah. Get on there. There you go.
I know what the problem is.
Wrong side?
Yeah.
Not try this at home.